I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add a debit card to your Squarespace account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Squarespace account using your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your site. Step 2. Navigate to Billing. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Billing section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your payment settings. Step 3. Add payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escher.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. A quick tip, double-check the CVV number on the back of your card, as it's easy to mistype. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your card details, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your new payment method is added successfully. Now you're all set. Adding a debit card to your Squarespace account is straightforward, and you'll be ready to manage your payments in no time. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Squarespace support. Happy building!